Experiencing issues with your Spectrum Mobile hotspot not connecting? This section provides immediate solutions. First, ensure your device is on a compatible plan and that you're within your hotspot data limits. A common fix involves restarting both your device and the hotspot. Next, verify your APN settings are correctly set to apn.spectrum.com. Try resetting your network settings or forgetting and reconnecting to the hotspot Wi-Fi. Outdated software can also cause problems, so update your device's OS and the Spectrum Mobile app. If problems persist, especially in rural areas, consider that you might be falling back to LTE, which can be slower and less reliable. Recent updates to the Spectrum Mobile app include AI-driven diagnostics to identify connectivity issues, so use this tool for real-time troubleshooting. If you have a dedicated Spectrum hotspot device, try forcing it to use 5G only via the network mode settings to avoid LTE interference. Spectrum Mobile hotspots function by tethering your phone or a dedicated device to Verizon's network, allowing multiple devices to share internet. Tethering setup varies slightly between Android and iOS. On Android, navigate to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot, and Tethering. On iOS, go to Settings, Personal Hotspot. Spectrum Mobile offers different plans with varying hotspot data limits. For example, the $25 a month autopay plan includes 2 gigabytes of hotspot data, while higher tiers offer up to 10 gigabytes before speeds are deprioritized. Be aware of these limits, as exceeding them can result in throttling or overage charges. Tethering uses your phone's data plan directly, unlike dedicated hotspots, which have separate plans. For security, use WA3 encryption. Spectrum's hotspot reliability can lag due to deprioritization policies, especially for heavy users. Monitor your data usage to avoid throttling and potential overage fees. If your needs are low volume, tethering your phone can be more cost-effective than a separate hotspot plan. Consider using app diagnostics to track your usage.